Good morning, boys and girls in second class. Today, can you open your Planet Maths, please, on page 90 and 91. It's a similar layout to yesterday's. It's called The Street, and there's lots of nice pictures and illustrations to look at to help us solve the questions. Can you take time now, pause the video and have a good look at the picture and read down through the questions. Great. I think you'd be well able to do number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5 all by yourself. The symbols are the same as yesterday. They're all addition. When we get to number 6, it's asking us to think about change. How much change? So how much money do you get back after you have spent money? So it's asking you to look at the shop, to look at the pairs. If you were buying 5 pairs, how much would that be? And if you were to give 20 cents, how much change would you get back? So today we are counting back from 20. So take out your number lines and we'll be jumping backwards. It's the same for number 7. So take your time with number 6 and with number 7. Have a look at how much each of them cost. Jump up the number line when you are adding and jump down the number line from 20 when you are taking away. Don't forget. You did a great job yesterday. Looking forward to seeing your answers from today. Well done.